thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Nia if you're new here, and today we are going to be doing a everything shower. I know I look super crazy right now. My hair was in the super tight bun all day, and I am just coming in here at the end of a really long day. I'm ready to do this and get my hair deep conditioned, do some face mask, shave, and I actually let you guys pick out which products I'm going to be using today. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. You guys picked out that shea butter soft soap, a clay face mask, and for me to shave instead of wax. Thank God for the people that voted to shave. I did not really want to wax my legs this video, and I'm just putting it together because I never even used this kind of shaver, so I'm kind of excited. This I Dig Your Hair leave-in conditioner, this stuff is the bomb. I'm going to be using this after I shave my face because you guys chose for me to shave instead of wax. This Tahitian vanilla body scrub, this Pantene moisture repair, Monet shampoo, this shampoo scrubby, and that is the products we're going to be using today. I'm going to just start off by combing out my hair dry and adding the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to leave it in for about 15 minutes. This product is becoming one of my holy grails. It is from the brand called I Dig Your Hair. I will make sure I link everything for you guys in the description. This brand is a woman-owned business and also a small business, so if you guys do decide to show some support, that would be amazing. While we're letting our hair marinate, might as well put this face mask on. I love the way that clay masks make your skin feel and look super polished after. I don't do this enough, but I highly recommend this if you're someone that struggles with blackheads or any kind of just dirt buildup. Clay masks are definitely the way to go. Don't forget to set your timers because I have left these masks on a little bit too long sometimes, and then I end up turning red. Next, we're going to be dermaplaning our faces. I actually started doing this in high school in the beginning of the makeup YouTube era. I saw this one YouTuber, I think her name is Dominique. I think she even has a makeup brand now, but I saw her do this and she said that this makes your makeup application smoother, and let me tell you guys, I have not stopped doing this. I do this weekly almost if I notice any extra peach fuzz buildup or anything. And if you're someone that struggles with having a clean, smooth base, maybe try this out because a lot of the time the makeup will just get caught in our hair and kind of streaky if your hair on your face grows fast. Like, look how much dirt and buildup was on my skin and it didn't even really look like it. After I dermaplane my face, I'm just going to be going in with this aloe vera cooling serum, and I accidentally poured a little bit too much. Now it is time for my favorite part, the shower part. So we are actually going to just start by rinsing out the leave-in conditioner from our hair. I'm going to be going in with the Monet shampoo. I actually hate shampoo for my hair. I know that some people probably think that that's gross, but if I do use shampoo, I'm definitely going to be using the Monet brand, and I'm just rinsing it out really good, scrubbing my scalp, making sure everything is nice and clean. If you guys actually have any shampoo recommendations for frizzy hair, please let me know. And would it even really be a everything shower without a little karaoke session? I've been so stuck on that song Stereo Hearts, even though it is super old. But next we're going to be going in with our Tahitian vanilla scrub. This stuff smells like a freaking sugar cookie. I want to eat it every time I use it. But I'm just doing it on all the places where I get creases, my armpits, my necks, my legs, everywhere. Exfoliating before you shave is super important because this helps us prevent ingrown hairs, and just make sure that you're going in with a clean base. This can help prevent infection, just getting rid of all that dirt buildup so that when you shave, you come out looking nice, clean, and almost poreless and polished. Last but not least, I'm going to be going in with the soft soap body wash, and it smells so bomb, like so refreshing. Finally, I'm going to be going in with the serum that I use for when I actually do microneedling, but I just decided to put this on today and let that be my skincare routine. You're supposed to leave it on overnight. I also dry my hair with a towel because it's supposed to help prevent frizz, and as you guys know, I look like a poodle most of the time. Also going to just be spraying my armpits with rose water and my face. That is going to conclude our everything shower. And I also want to put a lip mask on my lips, but I'm going to go eat dinner, so I'm not going to put it on yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.